top 3 tablets for kids at affordable prices in 2024. Are you looking for a great tablet for kids with compelling features that are durable and user-friendly? Finding the best tablet can be challenging, but there's no need to worry. Gadinsider has compiled a list of exceptional tablets with decent screen quality at affordable prices. Here are the best tablets for kids to buy in 2024 at reasonable rates. Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids Pro. The Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids Pro is the best tablet for kids aged 6 to 12 due to its flexibility and compelling features. The camera offers 5 megapixel rear and 2 megapixel front. The display is a 10.1-inch 1920 by 1200 pixels. The storage comprises of 32 GB. It offers one USB-C port, headphone jack, and micro SD. It also has a 1-year Amazon Kids Plus subscription. Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids. The Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids is another excellent tablet for kids aged 3 to 7, offering several intriguing features. The specifications consist of a camera of 5MP rear and 2MP front, display of 10.1-inch 1920 by 1200 pixels, storage of 32 GB, one USB-C port and headphone jack port, and a 2-year warranty. Apple iPad 2022. The 2022 Apple iPad is highly recommended for kids due to its striking features. These comprise of a 12MP rear and 12MP front camera, a 10.9-inch display, 64 GB and 256 GB storage variants, and a USB-C port.